how we are going to draw side by side bars with two different measures. And it look how we are going to compare the two different measures using side by side bar charts. Let's go to the canvas. So we have the side by side bars. We need to first select the bar here. We got the bar chart. So it will take two different measures and it will display it on the basis of categorical variable. So we have category, categorical variable, or category, subcategory. So we can display on both. So we will just give a basic overview how we are going to display. We have the category, and in the category we will display sales, and then we will display quantity. Both will be displayed based on the subcategory. So here we can see here we have the side by side bar here. So we will not draw it from here, we will draw it manually. So first thing we are going to do is to drag category into columns, because we need to see the two different measures on basis of category. So we'll bring the category to column. So here we have two different categories created. So after that what we are going to do after that is that we don't want to bring the quantity or sales here, because it will create a dual axis. So we need that. We just need to create a single measures which have both values. So we will do that is to drag the measure values here. So after that what we are going to do is to create two measures only. We will leave only, here we can see the sales and the quantity. So we will select the filter here. So we will display none, and after that we will select sale and quantity. And you click OK. So now what we are going to do after that is we are going to put the names of the measures. So we need measure names from the categorical variable. So what you are going to do after that, we are going to put the measures name and put it here. So here we can see we have created two measures, two quantity and sales. So it's kind of black here, we can't understand anything. So we are going to display the two colors depending on the category. So we will drag the measure name, we'll select command, we'll drag it here. So okay, we'll select control here, we'll drag the measure name. Okay, we'll select control, we'll drag it. Okay, drag it. Okay, so we will drag it from here. Let's say measure names, we'll drag it to color, and here you can also drag it from here by select control, but I have a little problem with my button. So here we are seeing two measures, and with the two we can see two colors. So here we're seeing colors here, and it's side by side is here. All three are side by side. Even we can see on the subcategory, so it will create already populated bar chart, but we just need to understand for the basic idea, then we will switch to subcategory in order to see how the populated bar chart look like. So we are here, so we will display a little bit of, we can say, labels into other two. We can't see any values when you hover it, so we are seeing it. So we need to display both on the graphs. We need to display it. So we will get the measure values into label. So here we are seeing on the label, the measure values are displaying on the labels. So that's second thing that we're gonna also increase the size, and we are seeing the value here. And further we can say we can drill it down by the ship mode, or we can say ship mode, you can drill it down. And if you want to drill it down here, so it's drilled down by the ship mode, and we are showing that for each specific ship mode. So let's see how it looks like with the subcategory. So we'll drag the subcategory and we'll put it on the category. So here is showing really populated, it's really populated here. So we will remove the measures. So let's make a little bit sense. As there are really, we'll select standard. and we'll display the measures again, measure values into label. So it makes a little sense now. I think the measures are in the right form. Okay, so there are so much measures, so we don't want to show that. So we are just looking at the basic example how we are going to display it side by side. So that's how we are going to display it. We can further customize it, but it exceeds the basic limits. So that's all for the side by side bars in Tableau.